Welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss Unit 5, which is about learning and teaching. Our first topic is perspective on learning. The definition of perspectives on learning is perspectives on learning are different theories or viewpoints that explain how students learn, what influences learning, and how teachers should teach. There is no single way to understand learning. Different psychologists gave different perspectives. The major perspectives are: number one, behaviorist perspective. Learning is a change in observable behavior. Students learn through stimulus, response, rewards, punishment. Teacher centered approach. Example: teacher gives a star sticker whenever a student reads correctly. Students repeats good behavior. Second, cognitive perspective. Learning happens inside the mind. Students process information, think, remember, and solve problems. Focus on mental process. Example: using mind maps, flowcharts, or connecting new lessons with prior knowledge. Third is constructivist perspective, which is based on Piaget and Vygotsky theory. Students construct their own knowledge. Learning happens through exploration, discussion, and hands-on activities. Teacher is a guide, not a lecturer. Example: students build a model or perform an experiment to understand a concept. Number 4, humanistic perspective. Maslow, Rogers based theory. Learning improves when students feel safe, respected, and motivated. Emotional needs and self-esteem matter. Example: teacher encouraging a shy student to participate and praising small progress. Our second topic is definition of learning. First definition is: learning is a relatively permanent change in behavior or knowledge due to experience or practice. Second definition is: learning is the process through which individuals acquire new skills, attitudes, values, and understandings. Third definition, which is based on educational view: learning is the active process of making meaning from information, experiences, and interactions. Examples: a student learns to solve math problems after repeated practice. A child learns social skills by observing parents. A student learns teamwork by participating in group activities. Our third topic is nature of learning. Nature of learning describes the characteristics that explain what learning truly is and how it happens. Explanation: learning is a continuous process. It starts at birth and continues throughout the life. Learning results in change, changes in knowledge, attitude, habits, or skills. Learning is purposeful. Students learn better when they see a goal or purpose. Number 4, learning is active. Students learn by doing, participating, thinking, and exploring. 5, learning is both individual and social. Students learn alone and with others. Learning is influenced by motivation. Interest and curiosity improve learning. Learning varies from person to person. Every student learns differently because of ability differences. Our fourth topic is learning styles: visual, auditory, kinesthetic. Learning styles refer to the preferred ways in which individuals receive and process information. Explanation: number 1, visual learners. Visual learners learn by seeing. They prefer images, diagrams, charts, and videos. Example, understanding the water cycle better through a diagram. Second, auditory learners. Auditory learners learn by only listening. They prefer lectures, discussions, audio recordings. Example, understanding a story better when the teacher reads it aloud. While third is kinesthetic learners. Kinesthetic learners learn by doing, prefers hand-on activities, experiments, and movements. Example, learning measurement by using actual rulers and objects. Our fifth topic is higher order and lower order thinking skills, HOTS and LOTs. Higher order thinking skills and lower order thinking skills. Definition. Thinking skills describe the level of mental processing. Lower order focuses on remembering basic facts, while higher order focuses on analyzing, evaluating, and creating. Lower order thinking skills, remembering, recalling facts, understanding, explaining in own words, applying, using knowledge in new situation. Example, memorizing formulas, it is remembering, explaining photosynthesis, it is understanding, solving a math problem with a known method, which is called applying. Higher order thinking skills, HOTS, analyzing, breaking information into parts, evaluating, judging, deciding, creating, producing something new. Examples, comparing two characters in a story, analyzing, judging in an argument is strong or weak, evaluating, creating a science model, which is creating. Our sixth topic is Bloom's revised taxonomy and action verbs. Definition. Bloom's revised taxonomy is a classification of learning objectives from simple to complex skill. Explanation. Revised order. Number one is remember or remembering. Recall information. Verbs. List, define, name, identify. Second is understanding or understand. Explain meaning, verbs, describe, summarize, classify. Apply, use knowledge, verbs, solve, use, demonstrate, analyze, break information into parts, verbs, compare, contrast, differentiate, evaluate, make judgments, verbs, justify, assess, critique, fix, create, produce something new, verbs, design, develop, construct. Example, remember, student list the parts of a plant, understand, student explain the function of each part, apply, student use the concept to identify plant parts around school, analyze, student compare two types of plants, evaluate, students judge which plants grows faster and shy. Sorry, students judge which plants grow faster and why. Create, students create their own plant model. Thank you for watching video. I hope this video will help you in exam. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like the video. Thank you very much.